Hey everyone, John here. These days everyone's talking about financial independence and the flexibility that comes with it. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and be their own boss? One of the most powerful ways to achieve that is by earning money online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and it's easier than ever to create a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 proven ways you can start making $100 a day online, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking about actionable strategies that can help you take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. So, whether you're looking to replace your job, earn some extra cash on the side, or just achieve true financial freedom, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming with clients looking for talented freelancers. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or virtual assistant, dedicating a few hours a day to freelancing can easily bring in $100 or more. Ever thought about creating an online course, selling stock photos, or writing an ebook? These digital products can be sold over and over again, creating truly passive income streams that can hit that $100 a day goal. Love recommending products? Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by simply sharing products you believe in. Find the right niche, partner with reputable companies, and watch your earnings grow. Platforms like VIPKid and italki connect tutors with eager students worldwide. Set your own rates, teach what you love, and watch your bank account grow as you help others learn and succeed. With platforms like Shopify, you can launch your own online store without ever touching inventory. Focus on high-margin products, leverage the power of social media marketing, and watch the sales roll in. Building a following on YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok isn't just about likes and subscribers. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals, turning your passion into a profitable career. Entrepreneurs are always looking for skilled virtual assistants to manage their calendars, emails, and social media. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, set competitive rates, and watch your income soar. While it's crucial to understand the risks involved, online platforms have made it easier than ever to invest in stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. With careful research and a solid strategy, the potential returns can be substantial. Looking for a simple way to earn extra cash in your spare time? Platforms like Swagbucks and Amazon. Mechanical Turk offer paid surveys and microtasks that can add up quickly. Platforms like Patreon allow you to connect with your audience on a deeper level, offering exclusive content and perks in exchange for monthly subscriptions. Build a loyal community and watch the recurring income roll in. So, there you have it, 10 proven ways to start making $100 a day online. Remember, it's all about taking action, staying consistent, and never giving up on your financial goals. If you're serious about building a sustainable online income stream and achieving true financial freedom, I highly recommend checking out Evergreen Passive Income. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge, strategies, and resources you need to succeed in the world of online earning. You can find a link to Evergreen Passive Income in the description below. Take that first step towards financial independence today.